Good afternoon. Today we discuss major news dated 21 June 2022. Starting with the first news we have is on Adani Power. Adani Power has completed the acquisition of 100% equities in SPPL and Direpl for about 609 crore. Adani Power had signed a share purchase agreement to acquire 100% equity shares of two companies, Support Properties and Eternus Real Estate, from their respective shareholders. And the next news we have is on Engineers India. The company said the board of directors has designated Sanjay Jindal, Director, Finance, as Chief Financial Officer of the company in place of Vadika Shukla. And the next news we have is on Reliance Industries. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, has imposed a penalty of 30 lakh on Reliance Industries Limited and two of its compliance officers, Savitri Parekh and K. Sachiraman, for not promptly disclosing the stake sales in its subsidiary company, Jio Platforms, to Facebook, Silver Lake and Vista Equity Partners in 2020. And the next news is on Happiest Minds. Morgan Stanley sold over 13 lakh shares of mid-cap IT firm Happiest Minds Technologies on Monday. BSE data shows that Morgan Stanley Investment Fund's Emerging Leaders Equity Fund sold 13.14 lakh shares of Happiest Minds at Rs 800 per share. On the other hand, Plutus Wealth Management bought 19.39 lakh shares at Rs 800.02 apiece. And the next news we have is on Bank of India. State-owned Bank of India is mulling to raise up to Rs 2,500 crore in fresh equity capital as it requires to increase the public shareholding in the bank to 25% to comply with regulatory norms. Presently, public shareholding in Bank of India is 18.59%. And the next news is on ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. The private life insurer has announced a record bonus of 969 crore for policyholders in FY22, up 12% on year. This is the company's 16th consecutive annual bonus, and the highest ever to date. And the final news for today is on Inox Green Energy. Inox Green Energy, which is a subsidiary of Inox Wind, has filed fresh draft papers with Capital Markets Regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India to raise funds about 740 crore through an initial public offering. That's all. Hope the video was informative. For any queries we can be reached at the contact details mentioned below. Thank you.